Difference between expense and expenditure. Expense and expenditure are terms often used in accounting and finance, but they have slightly different meanings depending on context. Expense refers to the cost incurred by a business or individual to generate revenue or maintain operations. Expenses are usually recurring and appear on the income statement. Examples include rent, salaries, utility bills, and office supplies. These costs are consumed or used up within a specific accounting period. For instance, the electricity bill paid every month is an expense. Expenditure, on the other hand, is a broader term that includes both capital and revenue spending. It refers to any payment made or liability incurred for the purchase of goods, services, or assets. Expenditure can be capital, like buying machinery or buildings, or revenue, like maintenance costs. Capital expenditures are long-term investments and appear on the balance sheet. Expense short-term, recurring cost, e.g., rent, wages. Expenditure any outflow of money, including long-term investments. Understanding the difference helps in better budgeting, accounting, and financial planning for both businesses and individuals. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.